Monday, Labor Day. I guess it is the 1st, September 1st. Dan and Stephen got here around about 8:30 or so. We were just making breakfast and coffee. And I don't really know what time it is now. Maybe about 10:30. We're going to walk up there because we are framing the wall. You can see one tent up there. We have 3 tents up on our porch. We have a porch now. I'm going to try to film somewhere out of the way. Thanks, Dan, somewhere. This is the plywood. We had some wood delivered. Oh, wait a minute. Let me show you where I'm walking. I'm on the porch. Look at that. Greg took notice. I don't know if you can see in the sunlight. There are very, very few knots. They picked the best pieces to make our porch. Fireplace box. I bet you that might be where our door is going. Anyway, so this is what we've got. Some framing. Working on this side first. Okay, so the wall looks like it's all framed up and they're putting the plywood on it now. We're taking a short lunch break. There's the chicken corn soup. Dan brought those yummy tomatoes. The kids are having their usual healthy camping lunch. Jake is cutting. Everybody's waiting for the wall raising. It'll be soon. There's the window cut out, and down there the door, the fireplace, and then another window down there. We got a little bit to go, and then we're gonna throw that wall up.
Hey Stephen, watch out! She said that you're cute. She said that young one's cute. Watch out for her.
We are preparing. We're getting all the muscle. We're preparing for wall raising. Oh, everybody's going down to that end. Here we go. First wall. First wall going up. Oh my God. There it is. Uh-oh, don't tip it over. What? Well, just wait and I will get you a spoon, okay? Oh, okay. Yes.
This one, 3 of us. Ready? Yep.
1st of September. This wall. I missed that one. I was down putting Alexander to sleep. And they just threw up that wall. And I missed that one. Greg, tell me about that one.
That was hard.
I was putting Alex to sleep, but I heard some grunting and groaning.
Yeah, that was a grunter, wasn't it, Dan? I had to do the old.
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, that was tough. I think they gave me the heavy end.
To me, that wall, hey, to me that looks symmetrical, so I'm not sure where you must have been standing.
I think they had it nailed in a little harder on this one end here.
Yeah. It's a watermelon break. I'm going to go down and look how that looks from the outside. There it is. Garage, and there is the wall on top of the garage. It's one window cut out. There's going to be 4 of them. Okay, we got another couple walls up. I was downstairs putting up the shower, which you should see is very sweet. Complete with towel bar. Complete with towel bar and everything. So there's our door, which we had eliminated, but we now put it back in because it's going to be going out onto a deck. So that's my big kitchen window. So we got some windows in this place. Whoo-wee. Let's walk over here and try not to get in the way. So we thought that this was the door to nowhere because it goes very, very far down. So we had eliminated it. However, we're going to put a deck on. A small little deck. Here, not real small. Greg likes his view. There you go. Okay, here I am. I am at the corner, front right corner. And boy, oh boy, is it taking shape.